Hey there, you guys. So here is just a little lesson on Facebook business pages. So I am going to share my screen with you in a minute so I can really take you through what you need to do. First of all, I want you to ask yourself, why do you feel that you need a business page? Okay, and so is this where your market is? Because I want you to know that you need to spend time where your target audience is. And if they're not on Facebook, you're just wasting your time. And so ask yourself what you want to accomplish with having a Facebook page online. If you do want to run Facebook ads, you do need to have a Facebook page. Yeah, or do you need a Facebook group? You can't do ads if you have a Facebook group. You have to have a Facebook page in order to do ads. So with that, let's hop into the Facebook business page. So so you've decided that your audience is on Facebook. You want to capture people and add them to your page. And this is also where you can just you can treat your business page kind of like your website actually, where you just keep inviting people to your page. You can do the same thing in your group. Okay, so group is just more private. But the business page is more public, honestly. And algorithms tend to, at this point in October 2020, algorithms tend to favor groups over pages, but yet you need a page to run your ads. So let's just be clear on that before we start. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you. And we will go from there. Alrighty, here is the business page. Okay, so to start it, you can just go to this little arrow or this little plus sign, and you can create a page. Okay, so I'm going to take you through that now, even though I'm not actually going to create a page, but you would add in your page information. So this would be your page name. Like right now, mine is the Business Startup Coach. I am going to change that to the 3-hour workday. But for now, it's a Business Startup Coach. So you add that in there, the category that describes you. Most of you will either be a business or an organization. And then you can add a description. So yeah, so that could be like health coach, nutritionist, etc. So then in your picture, this is your cover photo. You can just upload a cover photo there. And if you go into Canva, there's actually a section that has a Facebook cover photo. So make one in there because then you know it has the right dimensions. Okay, add in your Facebook cover, and this could be you, honestly, if you wanted it, or it could be your logo. That's totally up to you. And yeah, and then go into your about section. Okay, and that's where you want to add like really descriptive words using a lot of your keywords, okay, that you think that people would be searching for. And there you go. You got yourself a Facebook page. La-ti-da. So then you're going to get this. Once you have it all set up, this is what it'll look like. You'll be able to edit this cover photo or your profile photo if you would like. You can change what this call to action is. So you can, yeah, like mine set up as get messages. Let me just check here. You can add more tabs or you can edit these tabs. Like technically I don't need to have shop there because really you're not buying anything. And so play around with those things. Another way that you can, we'll get into that in a second. And then this is what your page looks like. And this is the ad center where you can then go to do Facebook ads, which you can also then manage your Instagram ads through as well. And just different things that you can do. Setting up your settings. Yeah, I would go through all of these and decide what you want because you can edit all of these. And then if you decide that, yep, this page is horrible, you can just remove your page. Lovely, lovely, lovely. All right, so yeah, all the different things that you can connect to your page. I have my Instagram connected to my page, so anything that I post on Instagram automatically posts to my page, thus saving me time. Because look, This, I actually did this post on Facebook Creator. And Facebook Creator Studio is a free scheduling tool that you can use for your business page or your Instagram, and your Instagram actually. And you can schedule posts in your news feeds or in your in your stories. So one way to save yourself a lot of time is to schedule your posts and plan them in advance. I like to do it like on Thursdays, usually on our Get Shit Done days, where I'll just plan out my posts for the next week, create all the graphics, and then write the content and post. Okay. Yeah, so then you can see, you can add your website onto there if you want. Like let's say you're in foods and you could just add in your menu if you'd like. Yeah, so that is the page. If you want to set up an event, like for example, I'm having somebody do a live with me, so then you can just create an event off of there, and then that way you can invite lots of people to that, which I should probably do because I haven't done that yet. That would be this one. So you can go in and you can edit your events. I like to do that when I do lives, just to increase your viewership of people watching your lives. And yeah, and then you can keep track of who is going to be there. So if you have any more questions about your business page, feel free to ask. But yeah, like always, it's like really be clear on what your purpose is in wanting to have a business page. Do you want to have a Facebook group? Because then you could run that through your page as well, especially if you want to keep it separate from your personal Facebook, right? So that's how I've done it, so that really I don't have a lot of my friends then in my Facebook group, because they're not into business and they're not my target audience, right? And so I keep that separate. So be clear on if you want a business page and a Facebook group, or just a business page or just a group, and link up your Instagram with your business page. It'll save you so much time, honey. And get onto the Facebook Creator Studio so you can schedule your posts. And that is how you can streamline, you can show up, and then you can do your posts so that you can sell. All right, any questions, feel free to ask. Bye.